So you might be in a situation where your SIM card tray is stuck inside of your particular iPhone. Now, first of all, you just want to make sure that you have a SIM card tray inside of your iPhone. Not every single iPhone has that type of capability. So what you want to do is you want to swing your iPhone to this side and find your particular SIM card tray. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that that particular hole right here isn't actually corroded, that there's no corrosion around it, and you want to make sure this area is clean. Sometimes if this area is sticky or if there's like a case on it or something like that, you may want to remove everything around it and try cleaning around the sides for the most part, because that can, for the most part, kind of fix, that situation. That's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, the next thing is making sure that SIM card tray that you have, that little, eject tool that you have, you want to make sure that is working as well. And you want to make sure it fits inside of this particular portion, because if it doesn't, well, that could be another problem that you're going to run into. So what you want to do is you want to go and input this right inside of there, and you want to push it into place. Sometimes all you're going to want to do is just make sure you're pushing it in right, up, down, not at an angle. So not at an angle, you want to go up and down just like this, and you want to push hard, and you may want to push a little bit harder. It takes a little bit of force for it to actually come through and actually be able to pop out. But once it pops out, all you have to do here, there is to go and drag this thing out just like this, and you can go and input it back in, or you can change it out, whatever you want to. But that is another thing you can do to go and fix this problem. If it's still not working, I would recommend again wiping it down and trying to push a little bit harder inside of that SIM card eject tray. And that's another thing you can try doing as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.